A month ago, I completely stripped and pruned these azaleas. Now today, I will show you how they both responded. Here I removed all flowers and pistils. In letting them bloom, this drains all stored energy from the azaleas, thus making them weak. Also pruning back long growth back to 2-leaf nodes. This technique prepares the trees for next year's growth. And here is the Azalea Rhododendron after deadheading, pruning. Here you can see all the new growth is pushed. I was backbudded. I'm looking really healthy and set up for next year's growth. And here is the Satsuki Azalea. You can see all the new growth, all the extensions, how lush and green that looks, how healthy. This is just from doing that guided pruning and removing the pistils to balance the energy back to the tree. My care plan for the rest of the season for the Satsuki Azalea are to water when needed, but avoid overwatering. Carry on fertilising monthly with a slow release fertiliser, but remember to stop in October. And in practicing these techniques, you will have one healthy azalea to start the next season, full of life, full of energy. It's pretty much the same for this Azalea Rhododendron. Water when needed, but not too much. Feed monthly with a slow release fertiliser. You can see all the lush growth on this. It's fantastic. You can see how well these azaleas have bounced back after deadheading, pruning, fertilising. Now these are 2 healthy azaleas ready for next year. So today's video was just to prove to you that in real time how well your azalea or Satsuki azalea can bounce back after pruning and deadheading at the correct time of the season. Now you can see these 2 are set up for the rest of the season and start 2027 full of life, energy, and that's what we want in your azalea. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.